To fix your laptop camera's blurry or dirty lens, follow these simple steps. First, understand that a blurry or dirty camera lens can be caused by dirt, dust, or smudges on the lens surface. Start by inspecting the camera lens for any visible dirt or debris. Next, gently clean the lens using a soft, dry cloth. This can help remove any loose dirt or dust particles. For more stubborn smudges or stains, dampen a cloth with distilled water. But be careful not to get any liquids into the camera or laptop. Gently wipe the lens with the damp cloth. Then use a dry section of the cloth to wipe away any excess moisture. If the issue persists, consider using a specialized camera lens cleaning solution and a microfiber cloth. These can be found at most electronics or photography stores. Apply a small amount of the cleaning solution to the microfiber cloth, not directly to the lens, and gently wipe the lens clean. In addition to cleaning the lens, also check the camera settings to ensure that the camera is not set to a low resolution or that the autofocus is not disabled. You can usually find these settings in your laptop's camera software or settings app. To prevent future issues, regularly clean the camera lens and avoid touching the lens surface with your fingers. Oils from your skin can leave smudges and stains on the lens. By following these steps and maintaining good camera hygiene, you can quickly and easily fix a blurry or dirty laptop camera lens and ensure clear and sharp video quality.